There's only one Senate, no, yung Senate of the Philippines. At nakita naman natin yung proceedings nung June 3 na nag-elect ng isang Senate President pro tempore at nag-designate ng isang acting Senate President. So, yun ang rin-recognize ngayon ng mga ibang branches of government tulad ng House of Representatives. Nakita natin na si Secretary Reyna ang represent sa Senado at of course ang executive branch. Dahil ang executive branch yan tayo nakikipag-coordinate sa maraming bagay from legislation all the way to operations. And throughout the weeks, no, maraming lumalabas na mga pahayag ang iba't ibang legal experts and legal luminaries, ang Integrated Bar of the Philippines, Association ng Law Deans, nag-issue din sila ng kanilang statements at marami pang mga ibang luminaries. No? So itong itong proceedings nung June 3 ay legal and valid. No? And therefore, isa lang ang Senate President pro tempore at isa lang ang acting Senate President. Pero totoo na merong dalawang grupo, no? Yung grupo ng majority na merong 12 votes at yung grupo ng minority na merong 10 votes. There's only one Senate President pro tempore. There's only one designated acting Senate President. And therefore, since tayo ang Senate President pro tempore and designated acting Senate President, gagampanan natin yung ating trabaho. No? At sisiguraduhin natin na hindi mapuputol ang operations ng Senado. At of course, yung coordination with the House of Representatives and other agencies. Yun ang aking mandato.